Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the bike and your body. Make sure suspension and tires are tuned, brakes free, and your pedals are level. Approach the ramp at a controlled 10-15 km/h with your dominant foot forward. Bend knees and elbows so your center of mass is low. This lets you compress and spring cleanly. Once you hit the lip, commit to a centered pop, do not abort. This setup gives you the baseline pop and balance needed to execute the Nac Nac safely. You want a solid pop first, so extend through your legs and pull the bars up toward your hips to lift the front wheel. Once airborne and stable, shift your hips toward the side of your back foot and slide your front foot off the pedal in a controlled manner. That's the Nac Nac motion. Hold the rear pedal with your back foot to keep the bike under you. Make sure your free foot stays relaxed and ready to reclip. Look at the landing to maintain orientation. As you approach the landing, guide your free foot back onto the pedal deliberately so you reclip before touchdown. Bend your knees and hips to absorb impact and keep your weight centered over the bike. This prevents washouts. If you feel unstable midair, land flat and reset, then work the motion again at lower speed or smaller jumps. A common fix is practicing a bigger, cleaner pop and slower, more exaggerated foot release until the timing feels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.